Top 10 largest aircrafts in the world. Number 1. Gerald R. Ford Class USA. Number 2. Nimitz Class USA. Number 3. Queen Elizabeth Class UK. Number 4. Admiral Kuznetsov, Russia. Number 5. Liaoning, China. Number 6. INS Vikramaditya, India. Number 7. Charles de Gaulle, France. Number 8. Sao Paulo A12, Brazil. Number 9. Cabor 550, Italy. Number 10. INS Virat, India. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. To watch more amazing and informative videos like this, do like, share and subscribe to the channel.